Hello you guys, today we're at CVS to go over the best CVS couponing deals for the week of September 12th through the 18th, and we are going to go over super low out-of-pocket deals for some high value items at CVS, and we're going to show you how to combine printable, digital, paper, and rebate apps to get some great deals this week. So let's get in store and get started. Be sure to open up the description box down below and click the first link to print the new printable coupons that came out on September 12th. Now, all of these will not last long, as a lot of them are very useful in CVS deals this week and will be in upcoming weeks. There are new CoverGirl coupons, a 4-off-2 Dove hair care coupon that likely will become a glitch coupon with a digital on the CVS app. We have a 5-off-2 Clairol coupon that is a part of a glitch deal this week that'll get us free hair color. $2 off L'Oreal facial care, a Snickers coupon that will also get us a freebie within a glitch deal this week, and some Poise coupons, and also there's L'Oreal hair care coupons that again will also work to get us a freebie and a glitch deal this week. So make sure to open up the description box, click that first link to print the new coupon so you don't miss out. The first deal this week is a glitch deal on candy. So the Snickers are 2 for $1.50 this week, and those will be located near the checkout counter. Now, we got a 75 cents off of 2 printable coupons. You can open up the description box, click the first link to print that coupon now, and that will glitch and work with a 75 cents off 2 digital coupon. You'll get a total of $1.50 off both of them, and they will be completely free this week. L'Oreal Elvive hair care are 2 for $8 this week, and when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get back a $3 extra care buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $8. Now, if you still have the $4 off 2 printable coupon that came out from coupons.com a few weeks ago that I told you guys to print in my video, you can use that coupon and stack it with a 4 off 2 instant coupon that was from last week. If you have these 2 coupons, you'll pay nothing, get back a $3 extra care buck, and it'll be a $3 moneymaker. But if you did not have this $4 off 2 printable coupon, instead you can use the $3 off 2 digital coupon that we just got. That will work with the $4 off 2 instant coupon. You'll pay $1 and get back a $3 extra care buck, making it a $2 moneymaker. So either way, a good moneymaker deal this week, plus it'll count towards beauty bucks. I'm going to pair the L'Oreal Elvive deal with a Garnier facial care deal to use a $6 off of $40 facial, hair care, and cosmetic CRT. So I'm going to pick up one of the Garnier Moisture Bombs at $18.99, and then one of the Garnier Skin Active Glow Boost Moisturizers for $12.99. Now, these are a part of a spend $30, get a $10 extra care buck promotion for the beauty deal this week, and so total for these 2 items, it'll push me to $31.98, so I'm over that $30 mark. Now, for CRTs, I have 2 $3 CRTs for the Moisture Bomb and 2 $3 CRTs for the Glow Boost Moisturizer, and those will stack and work together, taking me a total of $12 off the purchase of these 2 items. Plus, remember, again, I'm using that 6 off 40 CRT, so that will also come off. After the 6 off 40 that I'm pairing in with the L'Oreal Elvive deal plus the CRTs, I'm going to pay $13.98 but get back a $10 extra care buck. That will make it only $3.98 for both items. Plus, I will earn beauty bucks for spending over $30 in beauty. So after everything, it'll only be about 98 cents for both items. This week, Nexus hair care is on a spend $25, get a $10 extra buck promotion. So I'm going to pick up one of the Nexus Curl Define Leave-In treatments, and these are $15.99. And I'm also going to pick up one of the Nexus 5.1 ounce humectress conditioners at $10.79. Total for both items is going to come to $26.78. I'm going to use 2 of the $5 off 1 coupons from the 912 Unilever inserts from today. That'll take up $10 total. I'm going to pay $16.78 but get back a $10 extra care buck, making it only $6.78 for both of them. Plus, they'll count towards beauty. Plus, I'm going to pair this in with a $8 off 40 CRT that I'm also going to pair a couple more items in to reach that $40 spend amount. To pair it in to use the 8 off 40, I'm also going to pick up some feminine care. So pictured right now on the screen is Playtex and Carefree. I actually ended up picking instead 2 packages of Stay Free pads. The Stay Free pads are $7.99 each, and it's buy one, get one 50% off. So for 2 of them, one of them is going to be $7.99, the other is going to be half price at $4. I'm also going to throw in a 1 by Poise at $7.49. My total for everything's going to come to $19.48. I'm going to use a 2 off 16 tampon pad liner CRT, a $3 off 1 by Poise product coupon I got in a previous box of 1 by Poise. There's also coupons available on the Poise website. And then I'm going to use a 3 off 2 printable coupon that was available a while back that I told you guys to print in a previous video. This is expired, but CVS will accept coupons up to about 3 weeks expired, so I'm going to use that. It's going to glitch and work with a $3 off 2 digital coupon on the Stay Free pads. I'm going to end up paying $8.48, but getting back a $3 extra care buck, making it only $5.48 for all the items. Plus, there is a $3 Ibotta on the 1 by Poise products. If you're not already signed up for Ibotta, you can sign up with my code ywektyq. It's also linked in the description box down below to get a $20 bonus when you sign up. After everything, I'm going to end up paying only $2.48. This week, select Oral-B toothbrushes are buy 2 get a $5 extra care buck. At my store, they are sold out of the Vivid 1-count toothbrushes that are $4.39 each, or $8.78 for 2 of them. So that's a bummer. That's the cheapest option. If you get 2 of those, $8.78 minus a $3 off 2 digital coupon, glitching with a $2 off digital coupon, giving you a total of $5 off in digital coupons. You'll pay $3.78, get back a $5 extra care buck, and it'll be a $1.22 moneymaker. Another option not pictured is to pick up 2 of the $8.49 charcoal toothbrushes. It'll total you $10.98 with the same $5 off digital coupons. Total, you'll pay $5.98, get back a $5 extra care buck, and it'll only be 98 cents for 2 of them. The Burt's Bees toothpaste this week are buy 2, get 1 free. Buy 2, get the 3rd free. Now, at my store, these are $6.49 each. So if you pick up 3 of them, you're going to only pay for the first 2, and you'll end up paying $12.98. We have a $5 off of 2 coupon from the September P&G. Now we just got a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and if we use that, that'll glitch and come off with the $5 off 2 insert coupon. That'll give us a total of $10 off in coupons. We'll pay $2.98 for all 3 of them, or only 98 cents each. Approximately, if you have any CRTs, it'll be even cheaper. I'm going to save these glitch coupons for a future deal to see if we can get an even better promotion. The J.R. Watkins soap are $4.99, regularly priced, and when you buy 1 of them this week, you're going to get back a $2 extra care buck. So you'll pay $4.99, get back a $2 extra care buck, and they're going to be only $2.99. But then we also have a $1.25 Ibotta rebate on these soaps. So after getting that back, it'll only be $1.74 each, which is a pretty good deal. And again, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, make sure you click the description box link down below for Ibotta. You'll get a $20 bonus when you sign up that can be redeemed for a gift card. Now we're going to get into the spend 30 get a $10 extra buck promotion this week. And this is a separate promotion from the beauty promotion. It is all by itself for P&G and Lysol products. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Herbal Essences hair products for 2 for $12. I'm going to use a 2 off of 12 Herbal Essences hair care CRT paired with a $3 off coupon, $3 off 2 coupon from the September P&G. And then that is going to glitch and work alongside a $3 off 2 digital coupon that we got just last week for the Herbal Essences as well. So that is going to have us left paying only $4 for both shampoos and conditioners, but these are a part of the larger spend 30 get a $10 extra buck promotion. So far we're $12 on our way to the $30 threshold. To help us get us even closer to the $30 threshold, we're going to pick up 2 of the $8.29 Clairol Root Touch-Up hair colors. It's going to cost $16.58 total for 2 of them. We're going to use a $5 off of 2 coupon from the September 12th inserts. There's also a $5 off 2 available on coupons.com that came out today. That's linked in the first link in the description box down below to print that coupon. That's in a glitch and works alongside a $5 off 2 digital coupon, taking off a total of $10 in coupons. It'll be only $6.58 for both boxes, but again, it's part of this bigger spend 30 get a $10 extra care buck promotion. The last item to get us to the $30 mark is going to be picking up 2 of the Lysol Power toilet bowl cleaners. These are $3.09 each, and they're buy 1 get 1 50% off. So total for 2 of them is going to be $4.64. I'm going to use up 2 50% off 1 digital coupons. So they're going to come off. It'll be only $3.64 for both of them. My subtotal for the spend 30 get a $10 extra care bug promotion is going to be $33.22, but after all the coupons I discussed, I'm going to pay $14.22, get back a $10 extra care bug. It's only $4.22 for all of the items. This week, Irish Spring is 2 for $8, and when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get back a $2 extra care bug. I believe there are also printable coupons for these on the Irish Spring website. Otherwise, there was printables available a couple weeks ago. I did recommend that you guys print those on my YouTube postings page, as well as on a previous YouTube video. So I'm going to use a 2-off-2 CRT on Irish Spring body wash, and then I'm also going to use 2 of those $1 off 1 printable coupons. There is also a digital available as well. I'm going to end up paying only $4, but get back a $2 extra care bug, and it's only going to be $2 for both of them, or about $1 each. Thank you guys so much for watching this video for the best CVS deals from September 12th through September 18th. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and also leave me a like and a comment on what deal was your favorite this week, or what deal did I introduce you to that you are not already aware of. Make sure to also check me out on TikTok. My TikTok is kaylakoupons, where I post even more deals. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.